1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Liberty, equality, fraternity, vive la France!
We are preparing for the world premiere of Spectacle, an original musical about the founding of the Marianist order. We have worked since last summer to tell this incredible story about our 3 heroes, Chaminade, Adele, and Marie-Thérèse, and their survival with the backdrop of the French Revolution.
I play the role of Commander Fouché, who at the time of the French Revolution was the chief of police. So he would be the individual tracking down priests, nuns, all religious life who did not pledge their loyalty to the government, and he would send them to the guillotine.
Playing Father Chaminade, he's obviously a very reverent, priestly character, but Spectacle, it's been written in such an exciting and kind of lighthearted way that bringing those 2 together is challenging, but very fun.
The title of the show, Spectacle, comes from Father Chaminade's writings, and in which he says, we as Marianists need to be a spectacle of saints.
Staging an entirely new production has been exciting, and it's been fun because you don't necessarily know what to expect, and just being able to be a part of that has been amazing.
Please join us in Boll Theatre in the Kennedy Union, April 20th or the 21st at 8 p.m., April 22nd at 2 p.m.